What up? Thank you for watching my channel. Like my channel, subscribe, do what you gotta do. But I'm making this video to tell you a little story that that happened to me the other day. It's gonna be about trading stocks and trading the market, or stuff like that. So this story is real quick. I dabble into it. I paid a lot of money to learn how to trade, and I still do pay money, and just to learn how work with different investments or whatever. And but I mainly do currency, and the reason why I do currency is cheaper to get into currency trading forex, as far as having enough capital in your account. Stocks to day trade, you need about $25,000 to day trade. If you're doing multiple trades and day trading every day, you need like a $25,000 account. But that's not the story what I want to talk about. I'm also a massage therapist, so I had a client there. The client is a retired airplane pilot for United, I think it was United, U.S. Airways. There you go, U.S. Airways. And so while I'm there massaging, I'm there asking him questions, blah blah blah, and he's like, my back hurts from trading. He was trading, sitting in the computer chair on his computer, so I guess his posture wasn't right, so he was, his back hurt. But the thing is that got me is we were talking about trading, and I kept asking him questions like, do you day trade? He's like, how much? The reason why I don't day trade because I don't have the capital to having the account to day trade all day stocks. That's when it comes to stocks. And he was like, oh, I don't know. And he said, yeah. And he said he don't know. So I kept asking him questions, but he wasn't. I don't know if he didn't want to tell me or he just didn't know. I don't know. He said he'd been trading for decades and decades. He was old, And the thing that got me, that I knew that he wasn't trading correctly, was the fact that he said. So I asked him, how you trade? How you learn how to trade? This I don't mean to curse, but this motherfucker had the nerve to say that he watches Cramer. Now, once you hear somebody say they watch Cramer, now don't get me wrong, Cramer is intelligent. He knows what he's doing. He is smart when it comes. I know when he trades his account, he doesn't trade what he talks about on TV. I guarantee you that much. I'm not putting Cramer down at all. He probably knows more than I'll ever forget about the market or about trading. But this dude had the nerve to say he just listens to Cramer's advice on that TV show. Are you fucking kidding me? $1 million, I guarantee this airplane pilot is not making money trading, listening to Cramer's advice, because it's late. I mean, the show comes on after the market. It's late information. You can't trade the information and say, oh, I'm gonna trade this now, when you got 1 million people going to go trade that stuff. You don't trade like that. You don't go trade with that information that you get from Cramer or from these news channels or stuff like that. So I guarantee if I would have asked this dude, yo, are you making money? I guarantee he probably would have said no. He's probably losing more money. He said that he wants to that's what he wants to be his income now, trading, but that's not trading. That's not trading at all. He has an E-Trade account. He had another account. That's not trading. If you're waiting for Cramer on TV and getting his information, that's not trading. I'm sorry if you watch my videos and you think I'm wrong. I guarantee you're not making no money trading off of Cramer's information. That's not because he don't know. It's because that's not how you trade. That's not how you look at the charts. That's not how you gather your information. That's not how you gather your game plan, your business plan, what you got typed up and stuff like that. That's not how you trade. So when he said that, my heart just dropped. I'm sure he's an intelligent man. He was an airplane pilot, and he probably knows a lot. But come on, trading off of other people's information, especially Cramer on TV, come on, and that bothers me. And I was hinting on giving him the information on the classes I go take. I'm not telling but you need knowledge about anything. These people come, they fly in, you take a week-long class, and they teach you how to trade. And the good thing is, you get it's lifetime training. You feel me? You take the class once, and you can take it every month. Every month you can take the same class. I take a stock class, and I take a currency forex trading class. You feel me? And I'm not saying And the thing what I love about the education is then you have to do your own analysis. You go do what you do. You look at the charts and you think if you're gonna go short, if you're gonna go long, if it's the right time, if the spread is right, if the if you're doing 3-to-1 ratios when you or more, what's the percent and how much you're risking. You know what I'm talking about? If he's just saying that he learns from Cramer, I guarantee you that he's not making no money. I know it's for a fact he's not making no money. I didn't want to ask him because, you know, he was a massage client and I didn't want to get all up in his business like that. But I guarantee he's not making his money. Moral of the story, man, you can't get information like that. Moral of the story is, if you want to become a day trader, study the day traders, but don't get the information. Everybody's different. You have to go in there, find the companies you like trading, what sector. I even asked him what sector does he like trading. He don't even know what sector he likes trading. Oh, I just get what Cramer says. Are you serious? Are you doing technology? Are you doing pharmaceuticals? Are you doing home? What sector are you trading? Couldn't answer that. And I'm like, you know what? That dude is the type of dudes the real investors like seeing in the market, because he's losing money and they taking his money. The guy who don't know how to trade, he doesn't know how to trade, they taking his money. And that's why I'm paying education so I can learn, so people won't take my money. I'm gonna go in the market to find the money that he's losing so I can take his money. And that's the way of the game of the market of stocks or any kind of market that you're trading, whether it be futures, options, forex, or whatever you want to trade. Oh man, that just hurt my heart. Seeing people, and I was gonna give him, but he acted like he didn't even want to go take the classes or just go take a free class that they give. So you know what? That's his fault, and I guarantee he's not making money. Thank you for watching my video. Made a quick video real quick. Keep doing your knowledge. Don't be afraid to spend the money on education, on real education that's going to make you some money.